Good morning, student. As in continuation with the chapter number 2, today we will discuss about what is interview and types of interviews. So children, as an interview is a purposeful activity conducted to derive factual information, opinion, attitude and reason for a particular behavior. So children, in psychology, the interview is used in order to gather information. As interview is a social process involving at least two persons, the interviewer and the respondent. Now the children, it is very important to know that a person who takes interview, it is known as interviewer, and who gives responses is known as respondent. So one who takes up the interview, he must make an effort that the feeling of other person does not get affected through his questions. Now children, let us know the difference between the unstructured interview and the structured interview. Now children, if we talk about the structured interview, by name itself you can identify that it follows a formal pattern in which the questions are scheduled in a systematic manner. So children, in unstructured interview there is no a particular set of sequence of questions, so it is left to the interviewer to ask some questions in a way he likes regarding a number of key points around which the interview is to be built up. So children, it is believed that in unstructured, the most of the things depend upon the interviewer. The situation remains unstructured and therefore such an interview is known as unstructured interview. Now children, the another characteristics of the unstructured interview is that the method of collecting a data is quite flexible. Now if we compare with the structured interview, the interviewer has a little liberty to change any specific thing. Children, it is believed that in structured interview, the responses to the questions are also in some cases specific in advance. So these are called close-ended questions. Whereas if we compare with the unstructured interview, the answers are quite open-ended. It means a person can give according to his choice. Now children, let us know the types of interviews. First is your individual to individual, second is your individual to group, third is your group to individual, and fourth is your group to group. Now children, here the major role is played by the interviewer. So if we talk about individual to individual, it is a situation where one interviewer interviews the another person. So children, it means that the information is collected from a one person in individual to individual. Now secondly, individual to group. In this situation, one interview interviews a group of person. So children, such types of interview tries to take out the information from a larger number of individuals. That is known as individual to group. Now children, if we talk about the group to individual, so here the number of interviewer increases whereas the respondent decreases. It means in this situation where one group of interviewer interviews one person, you may experience this type of situations when you appear for a job interview. Now if we talk about group to group, in this situation where one group of interviewer interviews the another group of interviewers. So children, the major functions of the interview is in providing the insight into the interactive quality of social life. In an interview, people spend most of the time with one another in some form of verbal interaction. The verbal interaction enables the interviewer in understanding how people view the subject under investigation. This understanding helps him to know his social life, which is otherwise abstract and merely a statistical procedure. And children, the another use of interview is to provide the insight into an unexplored dimension of a topic or a subject. So children, it is believed that the interview method helps in obtaining in-depth information. It is flexible and adaptable to individual situation and can often be used where no other method possible or adequate. It can be used even with children or non-literate person. So children, as I have discussed about the types of interview, kindly make a note of this in your notebook.